Hello class, today we're learning about hypersonic spaceflight. So what exactly is hypersonic flight? Does anyone want to take a guess? It sounds like flight faster than sound. Exactly. In technical terms, hypersonic speeds exceed Mach 5, or 5 times the speed of sound. This means speeds over 3,800 miles per hour. Going that fast is impossible. Actually, it isn't. In 1967, Pete Knight flew at Mach 6.7 in an X-15 jet. Why do we need to go that fast then? Well, with high-speed travel, the world's emergencies can be swiftly addressed.
Dispatcher, our troops require immediate backup in Turkey.
Dispatching backup team to hypersonic flight 34873. Operation Super Speed is a go.
Dispatcher, the last two northern white rhinos are sick and require a medical team in Kenya.
Dispatching animal rescue team to hypersonic flight 48572.
Dispatcher, we've received intel of a deadly strain of the flu virus spreading in Florida.
Dispatching outbreak containment team to hypersonic flight 93845. Wait. Is that all that hypersonic speed is good for? Not at all. We can utilize hypersonic speeds for spaceflight too. Space missions like the Moon to Mars program will greatly benefit from fast travel times, allowing for even more research to be conducted. Well, that's a brief overview of hypersonics. Time for a pop quiz.